welcome to another Audley's Brew Co unpacking video. So as you can see, it's another package from my friends and yours, Brew Keg Tap. I'm expecting 2 packages in this box. Please split this video into 2. I'll do the unpacking now, and then I'll do the what do you call it, the trial of the objects at a later stage. So as always, packed with really good packing tape. So I just I don't know what that is, duct tape or something. Anyway, so there we have my packing sheet. Some stuff. A nice shiny one of these. Wearing on my neck. Nope, won't do that. What's in here? Brown paper bag. Some fixtures and fittings that are in there. Yep. So in this bag, we have a quick disconnect, a small one. We have a hose lock, a brass hose lock style fitting. That's the only way I know how to describe that. And we have one of these, which is a male. Is it a male? A male to male connector. It's 2023. Also in that brown paper bag we have this. What this is, nobody knows. This is a bit heavier. So you can see in the box what that is a Brewzilla Steam Condenser, and they are the accessories for it, which will connect it to my Brewzilla, presumably. So on the box here it tells me the advantages of using this yoke. Brew indoors all year round, usually has power, compatible with Brewzilla and Digiboil, 35 litre, 65 litre and 2-inch tri-clover. So, in this box, looks like so that's obviously a pipe of some sort. That'll be the down pipe, I presume. The actual steam condenser, which is a smaller sort of T-shaped thing. We have some of these. I'm not going to unbox or open up all of them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So with 5 of those like tri-clamps. They are. With a wee baggie of gaskets or O-rings. We have a stainless steel coin, which I know is the top of one of the T-bar things. We have a stainless steel coin with like a that's a barbed bit, so that's obviously the bottom where the steam condenses and drips out. And we have that goes onto the top. Your water goes in here and then comes out as a fine spray here, which condenses the spray, which condenses the steam. So that is box 1. It is a Brewzilla Steam Condenser, which will be great. It'll be great here. but it'll also be great in the new brew space when that eventually happens. So I'm excited about that. I bet you can't do this all back in the box now for temporary storage. So yeah, that's numero uno. And then number two is a Nukatap bottle, counterpressure bottle filler kit. I've seen this being used by the people at Kegland. I thought it was quite a nifty invention, which I've just broken. Could you imagine if I had? So this is a T-bar. You see, I don't know if that will come up because of the light. But you've got beer in through the top, gas out through here, purging, gas in from here from your CO2 gas. This straw, extendable. So what's that? But this here is a rubber seal, so it can be used for any sort of bottle type, allegedly. We have in here some fittings. So there's a quick disconnect with an attachment bit on one side. Something similar but barbed. Something similar but smaller. Something similar but smaller still. Then we have those hooks, what are they called? Disconnects. A red and a yellow one. So I bought the Nukatap thing because I have Nukataps primarily. I'm not even going to try and work out how this works. I assume that this screws into the tap itself. These are about the same size as the tap, so you can screw those on, and then you can either connect that directly to here, I presume. No, that's not right. Well, you can do something anyway. So they screw into the tap basically. And then you run from the tap into this. There's a craze a few years back, or maybe a year back, maybe 2 years back. Everybody was buying those eye taps, which look the business, but if you don't have a permanent place for them, they look like they could be a bit fussy for semi-permanent stuff, which is what I have. So when I seen this being used, I thought, you know what, that probably suits me better. I have Nukatap, so I can plug that straight into the Nukatap and just run straight from the keg through my tap as usual. So the lines and all should already be balanced. Everything should be beautiful that way. But you can also attach quick disconnects to the keg, to that itself, so you can run. You do all sorts of different things. And I just thought for the price, this is about a quarter of the price of an eye tap. And it's actually a bit more versatile. You can fill, party kegs and stuff from that, which suits me down to the ground because I do have a couple of those that I use from time to time. Yeah, so that's my July bounty, not booty. That's my July bounty. A steam condenser and a Nukatap counter pressure filler from the guys at Brew Keg Tap. Thank you very much again, guys. Seamlessly from start to finish, buying, shipping, etc. Everything's in tip-top condition, and the box itself would have been in better condition had I been in to receive it. Unfortunately, I had to go to work today, so it was left outside. It was a wee bit scuffed just from lying in the driveway there. But all in all, 2 thumbs up. Cheers, guys.